How to react WhatsApp messages with emojis. In this video, I'll show you how to react to WhatsApp messages with emojis. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on your device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Now go to the chat where you want to react to a message. Press and hold the message you want to react to. A small emoji bar will pop up right above the message. Tap the emoji that best shows your reaction, like a thumbs up, heart, laughing face, or others. If you want to change your reaction, just tap another emoji. To remove your reaction, tap the same emoji again. Reactions will appear right below the message so everyone in the chat can see them. And that's it. This is how you react to WhatsApp messages with emojis. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.